I'm Heledd Fychan. I'm the Plaid Cymru candidate standing in Pontypridd for the Senedd election on the 6th of May. Since 2017, I've been representing Pontypridd Town Ward on RCT Council, but I've worked on issues and campaigns that have affected people across the constituency and made a difference to people's lives. This has included campaigning for justice for flood victims and an independent inquiry into the devastating floods that we saw in 2020. To be hit by COVID so soon after the floods was a further blow for our communities. But there is hope ahead, and together we can rebuild a better Pontypridd and a better Wales. I'm standing because I want to work with you and for you on the issues that matter to you and make the biggest difference to all of our lives. We can do better. We can achieve more together. And we can ensure that we have the vital services that we need and deserve in our community.